at JCCS, enjoying this weather. It's rain or shine show today, ladies and gentlemen.
Cruising for a bruiser.
But we're not putting our cars in the show. We're just enjoying the show, relaxing. We're gonna go see some nice cars, talk to some people. We're gonna enjoy our weekend, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how it turns out.
Yeah. Let's go.
But that JCC parking lot not be hidden. There'll be a lot of cool cars there, so we'll probably park next to something, and then we'll show you guys how it is inside. We also are meeting with Jose and Austin too. So we got two more players to enter the chat.
Chris and Austin. We already got Jose.
That's what I said, right?
No, you said Jose and Austin.
Oh, no, I miswent.
We're here at the JCCS, baby. We got everyone already lined up. It's about 9 a.m. because we're not letting everyone in yet. We got Jose, we got Fred.
The mini truck looking spicy as always. You already know. Shit. We're out here at Long Beach Marina Green Park. What you gotta say, Thornberry? How'd you like the cruise?
Got a park. That one already go see the parks.
Oh yeah.
So we got a nice line that we're going to have to go in.
Park this way? Yes.
Spectator.
Any lane over there.
Copy that. Any lane. We got a park.
I'm saying like whose word?
Well, there's Chris and there's Austin, and we're here at the meet, baby. We got Fred parked up. We got Jose. What's the name of your truck, dog?
It doesn't have it. It's just the work truck.
Well,
you know?
our old truck we used to call it grease lightning because we always got it dirty and it was white. But we're here parked up. We got a bunch of sick cars here already parked just for spectating, right? So if the parking lot looks cool for parking, you can only imagine what JCC is. So they actually did this event at Formula Drift Long Beach event, right? Guess what I'm standing on? This is literally the pavement, right, that they come drifting in to that bank right around that corner, right? So some crazy stuff, right? So let's get into the action inside and let's go, baby.
So I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is rubber on the ground.
That's what I was telling them.
This is exactly where Formula Drift would be coming down. Outer Zone 3. Boom. Around there, then onto the street. That is nuts.
Leave it up to Chris to get lost.
You already
an
lost?
idiot, bro.
I'm not lost, nigga. Look, the show's right there. Retarded. I'm not lost. I don't know where the fuck you're at.
Make a left, make a left, make a left.
Make a left.
Make a left.
Yeah, we're right there. Look at this guy finally showing up. Look at this guy showing up.
Those are so expensive.
Hey, do you see where we're at, dog?
The Formula Drift, the streets of Long Beach, bro. They be drifting right here.
Yeah. I can take it over the block.
Chris, how do you get lost in Long Beach, bro?
I didn't get lost.
You didn't get lost?
I didn't get lost.
Oh, okay.
No one was lost.
Okay, just making sure. All right, you guys ready to go up in there or what?
You guys lost us. Huh?
You guys ready to go up in there or what?
Yeah, I'm ready. Ready to go up in there?
And I love my 4-cylinders, right? So I don't want to throw them away, and so I breathe them new life in the gear. So
We got the lineup, looking hard, looking mean, at the Spectator parking lot for JCCS. We're meeting up with some of our fans, some of our supporters. We appreciate all the love and support. People staying along, following all the builds, following our builds. Heck yeah.